Hello everyone and welcome to the Easy Drawing Time channel. Today, we're drawing Peppa Pig, Suzy Sheep, and Rebecca Rabbit getting ready for Christmas. Let's start with Peppa Pig. Draw her round face, ears, and her big smile. She's excited for Christmas. So cute. Amazing. So pretty. Don't forget to draw the Christmas decorations like the tree, stars, and presents around them to make the scene festive. Lovely. Take your time and follow along carefully. You're doing great. Now it's time to draw Rebecca Rabbit. Add her tall ears, big eyes, and happy smile. She's ready to celebrate. Next, let's draw Suzy Sheep. Start with a round head, cute little ears, and her smiling face. She's Peppa's best friend. Now that we've finished drawing Peppa, Suzy, and Rebecca, let's bring this Christmas scene to life with bright, beautiful colors. Now, I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Use pink for Peppa's face and red for her festive outfit. Add some rosy cheeks. I love my pen. Let's color the Christmas tree green, add colorful ornaments, yellow stars, and bright presents under the tree. amazing work, kids! For Rebecca Rabbit, use light brown for her face and green for her Christmas outfit. Suzy Sheep gets white fur and a bright pink dress. You've drawn and colored a beautiful Christmas scene with Peppa, Suzy, and Rebecca. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Easy Drawing Time. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.